For decades, one nation held the absolute title of stealth supremacy, but the shadows in the sky are shifting. From the east comes a new challenger, a mighty dragon designed to pierce the veil of the invisible. This is the Chengdu J-20, China's answer to air superiority and the first stealth fighter developed entirely outside of the United States. It is a machine that represents a massive leap in technology, designed to challenge the status quo and redefine the balance of power in the Pacific. Born from the secretive laboratories of Chengdu Aerospace Corporation, the J-20 is a masterpiece of modern engineering. Its design is unlike any other stealth jet in the world, featuring a unique combination of a long, tapered fuselage, wide delta wings, and forward-mounted canards. This aggressive geometry isn't just for looks, it's a calculated effort to minimize its radar signature while maximizing its high-speed stability and maneuverability. Built with advanced composite materials and coated in specialized radar-absorbent paint, the J-20 is engineered to vanish from the world's most sophisticated tracking systems. Powering this dragon are two massive turbofan engines, currently evolving with the latest high-thrust technology. These engines push the J-20 to speeds exceeding Mach 2.0, allowing it to strike targets across vast distances with terrifying efficiency. With its massive internal fuel capacity and supersonic cruise capability, the J-20 is designed for deep penetration missions, where speed and stealth are the only things keeping a pilot alive. It doesn't just fly, it haunts the high altitudes, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Defense for the J-20 is built into its very skin. Its jagged edges, serrated engine nozzles, and internal weapon bays ensure that radar waves are scattered in every direction except back to the source, leaving enemy radar screens blank. To protect itself from modern threats, it carries an advanced electronic warfare suite capable of jamming enemy communications and infrared tracking. It is a ghost that hunts in the silence, using passive sensors to track enemies without ever revealing its own position through radio emissions. Inside the cockpit, the J-20 is a digital fortress. It features a massive panoramic glass display and a high-tech helmet-mounted sight that allows the pilot to target enemies simply by looking at them. Its sensor fusion system acts like a digital brain, gathering data from its powerful nose-mounted radar and electro-optical tracking sensors to create a complete 360-degree picture of the battlefield. The pilot sees everything, from enemy jets miles away to ground-based missile batteries, all merged into a single intuitive interface that removes the fog of war. When the time comes to strike, the mighty dragon lives up to its name. Its massive internal belly bay is built to carry the PL-15 long-range air-to-air missile, a weapon designed to destroy targets far beyond the visual range. On its sides, smaller bays hide the PL-10 heat-seeking missiles for close-quarters dogfighting. Every weapon is tucked away until the final moment, ensuring the J-20 remains a ghost until the killing blow is delivered. The Chengdu J-20 is more than just a fighter jet. It is a statement of global intent. It has transformed its nation into a top-tier aerospace power and challenged the old world order of the skies. With its blend of stealth, range, and lethal precision, the J-20 is a dragon that truly owns the horizon. The age of stealth is no longer a solo act, and the mighty dragon is leading a new era of aerial dominance that the world can no longer ignore.